The real New York versus what you see in movies. You think you know New York. The bright lights, the iconic skyline, hustle, drama, romance. Movies make it look like a non-stop show. But the real New York? It's wilder, more beautiful, and more chaotic than Hollywood ever shows. I'm booked and covered, and today we're diving into the truths behind the blockbusters. Because if you're traveling here for work, vacation, or that perfect honeymoon, you need to know what reality actually feels like. Let's go! What movies show versus what's real. Movie version. Sweeping aerials of Manhattan, dramatic rain pouring, yellow cabs, perfect love stories on rooftops with skyline vistas. Times Square is empty but dramatic. Subway runs just in time. Reality version. Ooh, Times Square is always packed. Not just with tourists, but fast walkers, street performers, flashing adverts in every direction. It's sensory overload. Ooh, subways. Yes, iconic, but delays, crowds, heat in summer, chill in winter, sometimes weird smells. All part of the deal. Ooh, rooftops are real, but few are accessible to the public. Many cost or are exclusive. Ooh, rain scenes. It rains, but not usually with romantic orchestras behind you. Umbrella-oriented chaos, puddles, damp sidewalks. Amazing facts most people don't know. More than 800 languages are spoken in New York, making it the most linguistically diverse city in the world. Central Park is 843 acres, a huge green lung in the heart of Manhattan. It's larger than many small countries' city parks. Public parks make up approximately 22% of the city's land area, and 99% of New Yorkers are within a 10-minute walk of one. The old name of the city? New Amsterdam, under Dutch control, renamed after the Duke of York when England took over in 1664. The pizza principle. In New York, as subway fares go up, so does the price of a slice of pizza. It's part cultural joke, part real economic pattern. Travel tips, depending on your purpose. For business travelers, plan meetings around the weather. Winters and summers can disrupt transport. Spring/fall are more reliable. Transit for business. Subway is fastest, usually, but taxis or rideshares with traffic are unpredictable. Give extra buffer time. Dress in layers. Inside buildings are often very cold in summer, air conditioning, or very warm in winter, heating, so adjustable clothing helps. For vacationers. If you love photo opportunities, autumn gives fall colors in parks and fewer crowds. Spring offers blossoms and events. Budget-wise, hotels are cheapest in winter, excluding holidays, and shoulder seasons, spring and fall, give better deals than summer or holiday seasons. Sightseeing. Start early, especially to beat crowds at popular spots. Statue of Liberty, Empire State, Top of the Rock. For honeymooners/romance seekers, seek out quieter neighborhoods. The West Village, Brooklyn Heights, DUMBO, beautiful views, romantic walks. Sunset views, rooftop bars, if budget allows, or walking across the Brooklyn Bridge at dusk. Avoid peak tourist times if you want intimate moments. Midweek visits in shoulder seasons are great. What you should actually expect. You'll see movie magic, gorgeous architecture, dramatic cityscapes, cinematic lighting, but also gritty realism. Sirens, subway smells, endless traffic, crowds. Mixed friendliness. People are busy, hurried. New Yorkers are polite, but rarely leisurely. If you want genuine connection, go off the beaten path. Expensive everything. Food, lodging, attractions, but you can still find gems. Street food, hidden parks, free or low-cost museums. So what's the real New York? It's loud, it's beautiful, it's imperfect, and that's what makes it unforgettable. If you come prepared, with the right time of year, with open eyes, you won't just see what's in the movies, you'll live it. If you liked this video, hit subscribe so you don't miss our guides to hidden gems in New York, and tell me in the comments,